This is massive. The Galaxy S23 Ultra is completely unboxed. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So guys, yesterday we have seen the first live look of the S23 Ultra plus the camera sample of the S23 Ultra and also the packaging that was coming with this particular device. And to be honest, the packaging was looking an awful. Now today we have got the unboxing leak coming from TechGuide, which give us a detail about the S23 Ultra unboxing experience. Basically, we are going to be getting a slim packaging similar to the iPhone 13 series with a foam rare finish on the back of the box. Inside we have the S23 Ultra, and yeah, this one is close to white color finish which they call the cream. And to my surprise, there is no cable inside the box. Now, as per the new hands-on video leak, it looks amazing and the S23 Ultra camera looks much bigger than the S22 Ultra. The new ring design also looks changed from what we have seen on the S22 Ultra. Also, if you notice, the back lenses are slightly bigger than the S22 Ultra. We also get all the color options that will be available in the S23 Ultra, which is Phantom Black, Green, Mystic Lilac and Cotton Pink. Apart from this, the S23 Ultra back design, we also going to see the new display on the S23 Ultra, and as per the new display, Samsung is going to put a slightly curved display much flatter than the S22 Ultra. Now, as far as the display is concerned, we are going to be getting a 6.8-inch 2x dynamic AMOLED 120Hz panel, and as per previous rumors, S23 Ultra were going to come with the 1750 nit sub brightness just like the S22 Ultra. Now, if you talk about the battery, we all know S23 Ultra is going to be coming with a 5000 mAh battery, but will last much longer than the S22 Ultra because of the new power efficiency processor and also the new mode called light mode to save the battery. One thing to notice here as the S23 Ultra will going to come with a 45 watt of fast charger. Galaxy S23 Ultra pricing is also out for 3 countries. Two of them will see a price change and one will be coming with the same pricing. And you guys, all the detail about the S23 series is now leaked. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Are you happy about that leaks or not? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.